Mr. Yinka.
Okay.
Um, I'm looking at the legal part and the human rights part. So the question here is, what legal and education framework are needed to make sure sign language rights are protected from an early age?
Yeah, thank you. Maybe let me just say this. Imagine a scenario where you are an outside person and you are supposed to meet with other people in the same room and you are to have a common understanding of sharing. And you get there and all that you're hearing is Yoruba. You feel ostracized. That is saying that you are no longer needed. So why we say that sign language should be a human right issue is because it's about conversation, it's about communication, and communication is key part of human rights issues that we are talking about. And now it's going to not going to when you say whether it's a legal issue, legal framework, it's not about legal framework alone. We could have a lot of legal framework. Let me share with you the Data Act. It's a legal framework that be here. The moratorium had gone. Beyond the legal framework, it's going to be a community issue. You don't just say it is a why legal framework is good. I quite appreciate that legal framework is good. At least it set the tone for what we're supposed to do. But the fact also remains that if we depend only on legal framework or policy alone, we're not going to get anywhere. Like everybody has said, it has to be a community issue. Is going to be a village issue. And that's why at Center for Disability and Inclusion, we do not only rely on legal and policy. We work with all the community people. We work in collaboration with, because now we said that collaboration is a new competition. You can't do it far. You can't go far without collaborating with a lot of people. So it's going to be a community issue. It's going to be a something that brings all the stakeholders together. If we say it is going to be only legal framework, we're not going to get it right. Everybody must be there. Why we say that the legal framework is important, why I appreciate that legal framework is important, but I've seen where we have legal framework and check all Africa, check all everywhere. UN policy legal framework have been there. How much have we gone with it? Even though it's a guide. So we can have a guide, but you can't have a guide if you are not ready to go with it. Since we have always 1 minute, let me stop here.
Thank you so much.